Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll show you like how many third-party services, like all of the services that you use to sign in into your account. Like whenever you sign into a website, there you see that connect with, like, sign in with Google or connect with Google. So those are like the third-party services. So if you want to remove those third-party services from your Google account, so I'll show you or I'll walk through you the entire step, both from your phone as well as from your laptop. I'll show you the entire step how you can remove those third-party services from your Google account. But first, let me just share my phone screen so that I can show you. So as you can see my phone screen, what you need to do is first open Google app, then make sure you're on the right Google account. Then go to your manage your Google account. Then you need to scroll down until you see security and sign in. Then you need to scroll down until you see all this, your connection to third-party apps and services. Then press on see all connections. So these are all the third-party services that you have been used to sign into their website using the Google account. Like all those websites where you see the connect with Google or sign in with Google. So these are all those websites. So like if you want to remove, like for my case, I would like to remove the Canva, poor Canva, but can't help for this video purpose. So here what you need to do is press on this delete all connection you have with Canva, AI, photo and video editor, whatever. So go ahead and delete all, then press confirm. So let it give some time. As you can see here, it's showing you are no longer connected to Canva AI video and photo editor. You can connect to Canva AI photo and video editor again at any time. Okay, so that's good. So as you can see, the Canva will disappear. As you can see, the Canva has been disappeared. So this is how you can do it on your phone. Let it be your Android or iPhone, that doesn't matter. The step will remain same for both the platform. And like if you want to do the same thing on your laptop, then I will show you in a minute. So right now, okay, so now I'll share my laptop screen with you guys so that you can see what I'm going to show you. So if I had to so as you can see my laptop screen, so what you need to do is go to this google.com, or if you are using like Chrome, then this will be the first home page that you will see. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that this is the right Google account that you want to the Google account that you want to remove those third-party services. So if this is the right account, then go ahead and click on this make your manage your Google account. Then okay, after that click on this security button security tab, scroll down until you see this your connection to third-party apps and services. Here click on see all connection. As you can see, these are all the same thing that you will found on the phone app. So like if I want to remove this answer the public third-party services from my Google account, then I'll need to just click on it, then press on this delete all connection you have with the answer the public. So click on that, again press confirm, and you can see it's showing you are no longer connected to answer the public, and you can connect to the answer the public again at any time. Okay, so go ahead and it will be removed. Okay, so as you can see, it has been removed. So you need to follow the same thing for all this thing. Like if you have a ton of this attached, like a ton of this thing third-party services that are using your Google account, then you need to follow the same step. Like you need to manually remove all those third-party connection. So like if you have a lot of third-party connection to your Google account, then you need to follow this step to every one of those. So you need to manually unlink all of the third-party services. You cannot just make all of them go at a single time, same at a one click. So you need to manually remove each and every one of them. So yeah, this is the step like how you can, this is the step how you can, remove all those third-party services linked to your Google account.